Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today we're talking about the Xbox One X, the world's most powerful console. It's got 40% more power than any other console. This is the NBA 2K19 free download that it comes with for the basketball game. Great game. Experience immersive true 4K gaming, basically meaning games are going to play better on the Xbox One X because of the faster processing. It's going to equal smoother gameplay. It comes with the power cable and, of course, an HDMI cable. Also has the standard Xbox controller. The Xbox One X is going to give you lifelike detail. It's got 6 teraflop GPU, enables 4K environments and characters to become more realistic than ever with more detail and smoother animations. The memory bandwidth is going to allow faster load times. Game graphics are going to be faster, more detailed. Basically, it's going to be 326 gigabytes per second memory bandwidth to keep your gaming momentum flowing. Comes with true 4K ultra high definition. It's got spatial audio as well as high dynamic range HDR. It also comes with the 4K game DVR, which is really good for streaming to YouTube or different platforms like Twitch. Some of the games that are 4K exclusive would be Forza Motorsport 7, State of Decay 2, Crackdown 3, Super Lucky's Tale, Sea of Thieves, just to name a few. Compared to the older Xbox One model, it's really a huge upgrade. On the back, you're going to find the input for your power as well as your HDMI out to your TV. You also have the HDMI to your cable box or satellite setup, a couple USB ports, audio in, and then you also have a digital audio plug as well as a network plug so you can plug directly into your modem. This Xbox is brand new, so let's go ahead and plug it in and get right into gaming. Catch you later. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like.